Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Gather a charged phone, flashlight, and a simple RF detector. Carry ID and a charger. Walk the space systematically, entry, living room, bedrooms, bathrooms, so you don't miss hidden angles. Look for odd devices, lenses, or tiny pinholes near smoke detectors, clocks, and vents. These are common concealment spots. Once done, photograph suspicious items and note locations. Make sure to keep movements calm and explain to guests why you are inspecting, because transparency reduces alarm and preserves trust. Now dig deeper. Inspect each electronic item up close. Look behind clocks, inside lamps, and under furniture for lenses or loose wiring. Sweep the room slowly with the RF detector across 1 to 6 GHz bands. When you hit a spike, stay still and rescan to localize it. Use your phone camera to spot infrared LEDs on hidden cameras by viewing lenses in dim light. Once you locate a suspect device, photograph it. Note MAC or model numbers, and disable power if safe to preserve evidence. Finish by documenting everything. Take clear photos, record timestamps, and capture any device MAC or serial numbers. This makes a strong report. Immediately notify Airbnb through the app, and if privacy was clearly violated, contact local law enforcement. Keep copies of all communications. If you need a quick fix while you wait, disable power to suspicious devices when safe, or isolate them in a shielded bag to block signals. If RF noise masks a signal, try a power-down sweep. Turn off circuits sequentially to find the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.